Hi, welcome to Fingerworks 5. This is a short tutorial on how to create a new tool set. So we'll start by going to Menu, Toolbar, New, and it asks us if we're sure we want to create a new tool set. Yes. And we'll start by naming it whatever we want. Click Save, and you'll see that the name changed up here and that there's no tools. So we need to add some. So we go over to our category, select whichever category we like. So click Line Draw, and then choose which tool. Do 2D freehand draw, and which preset. And then it opens up our tool configurations. So we have a rename tool. You can rename the tool as it appears on your bottom bar. The line style, so you can change the line thickness. If you want it dotted or solid, whether you want to change the color. And you can also define your colors. So let's go into define colors, click on one of the black spaces, and then change to which color you'd like. You can also type in numbers here if you want a specific color, and then you click save. And you'll see that it's saved as the black box. Then we can go back and we can pick to whatever color we'd like. You can change the transparency. And the drop shadow can be enabled. And offset. The arrow style. There's multiple styles. The fade on speed, where after you finish drawing on screen, as it fades on. There's also the fade out option, so it erases, and then you can set a delay for how long you want it before it erases, and also the erase speed, about how fast it erases from your screen. And then there's tool set options. This is for where the tool is going to be placed on which toolbar. So it's always default on bottom, but if you want it on the left or the right or the top toolbar, so I'll show you what it looks like on the right. Add, and you'll see it's on the right. So let's add some more tools. So let's do shapes. Let's add a circle. And it's most of the same tool configurations that you can choose from. And you'll see that this one is at the bottom. So you click add, and it adds it to your bottom bar. Let's add a couple more. And now that I have multiple tools, I can move them up and down. If I want my triangle to be first, I can move it up in the list. And you can also edit. So if I want my 2D freehand draw to be on my bottom bar, I can now move it and select bottom. Now it's on my bottom bar. I can remove a tool. And every time I click OK, my toolbar is saved. But if I wanted to save it as something else, click Save As and Save. Now it's saved as Other Toolbar. And you can load an existing toolbar. So let's load all tools. And you'll see that after there's been 11 tools on one row, a second row will be created. And as you keep adding more and more tools, then you can scroll up and down in the list. That's all for now. In the next tutorial, we'll go over masking.